extend, down, flex, extend, flex. Neutral position, orthosis. Start. In the same way, we can exercise the wrist. So as per the buttons, now I need to extend the wrist, and the indication is given for me to flex the wrist. Each time the switch in the buttons takes place after I have reached the trigger. These triggers are adjustable for every individual person using the system. So wrist flex and then wrist extend. Wrist flex and wrist extend. Open. Close. Open. Finger close, finger open, finger close, finger open, close. Whichever action I need to do, that button is lighting up. So now the finger open button is lighted up. So I'm opening my fingers and the finger close button lights up. In this way, the patient can do repetitive movements. The lighting up is based on a trigger setting which you see on the bars on the left and right side of the buttons. The forearm movement, pronation and supination, is also done through this game. For example, now the button for the forearm pronation indicates that I should now pronate my forearm. As I do that, and as I achieve the trigger, the supination button comes on, and so I can repeat the exercise. Notice that unless I reach the full supination, the button doesn't go off. This will help me to go. This is a combined movement where we combine the movements of the wrist and the fingers. The buttons indicate two movements, for example flex wrist and close finger, and the other one is extend wrist and open finger. So we are now at extend wrist and open finger, and the button is indicating that I should flex the wrist and close finger. So that's what I do, and then I'm asked to extend wrist and open finger. In this way again we can exercise combination of movements. The games are operated using the EMG signals coming from the arm muscles. Supinate, open, pronate, close, supinate, open, pronate, close, supinate, supinate, open, pronate, close. This is a difficult exercise because we are going to try to coordinate exactly the closing and opening of the fingers with the pronation and supination of the forearm. This we usually do when we use quick lifting and release movements. As you will see, some of the times I will be successful and sometimes the timing will be a little off, so it may not switch. So right now I need to supinate and fingers closed. Let's try that again. Okay, now we need to go pronation, fingers open. Okay, again supination, fingers closed. Not so successful. Again supination, fingers closed. Supination, fingers closed. Let's try once more. That's it. Now pronation, fingers open.